Hi and welcome to Highland Boxes. So this week something a little bit different. I am re-uploading an old video going back about nearly 2 years ago actually now. I first posted a pinecone box on the channel, and it's probably the video that's had the most views. It tends to not be from subscribers though, it tends to be out with that it gets its most views from. I think it's 447,000 was at last count this video views had. But it also, some of my stuff goes up on DIY and crafts and super viral. I'm happy to share some of the videos there because the channel's relatively small. It doesn't get viewed by everybody. But this week I actually decided to do something a little bit different. This video was edited and re-uploaded to super viral, and it got 12 million views. This was last year. It's just been re-uploaded again on the Facebook platform, and I thought I would actually upload it on my channel at the same time. I have re-edited it, cut it down a little bit. Going back at that point, some of the video footage, well, it was the same camera actually I used, but the sound was appalling, so anything with sound on I've sort of cut out. No more chalking. So this is that video, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks very much for watching.
Standing at your door, goes by, yeah, you and I are running out, running out. Time goes by, I've changed my mind about you and I, you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge.